Which is the holiest river in India? A. Yamuna, B. Ganga, C. Saraswati. Correct answer is B. Ganga. In which country is the national animal a dog? A. Australia, B. Israel, C. Korea. Correct answer is C. Korea. In which state of India is the Hawa Mahal located? A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is A. Rajasthan. In which country is the widest road in the world located? A. Brazil, B. Argentina, C. America. Correct answer is A. Brazil. Which city is also known as Kashipur? A. Banaras, B. Uttarakhand, C. Prayagraj. Correct answer is A. Banaras. What is the coldest place in the world? A. Siberia, B. Verkhoyansk, C. Antarctica. Correct answer is C. Antarctica. Which of the following is a dialect of language? A. Script, B. Vowel, C. Sub-language, dialect. Correct answer is C. Sub-language, dialect. Who invented the telescope? A. Hans Lippershey, B. Newton, C. Einstein. Correct answer is A. Hans Lippershey. Which country is the largest producer of onions in the world? A. India, B. China, C. America. Correct answer is B. China. Which city is known as the City of Petha? A. Kanpur, B. Agra, C. Lucknow. Correct answer is B. Agra. Which state receives the highest rainfall in India? A. Kerala, B. Meghalaya, C. Assam. Correct answer is B. Meghalaya. Which tree gives the most oxygen? A. Peepal, B. Neem, C. Mango. Correct answer is A. Peepal. Which bird lays its eggs in another bird's nest? A. Cuckoo, B. Pigeon, C. Mena. Correct answer is A. Cuckoo. In which country was tea first cultivated? A. India, B. Japan, C. China. Correct answer is C. China. Which country once ruled over America? A. Spain, B. Britain, C. France. Correct answer is B. Britain. When was India Gate in Delhi completed? A. 1931, B. 1925, C. 1942. Correct answer is A. 1931. How many teeth does a 5-year-old child have? A. 20, B. 24, C. 28. Correct answer is A. B's. In which country was paper invented? A. India, B. China, C. Japan. Correct answer is B. China. Where did the British establish their first factory in India? A. Mumbai, B. Surat, C. Madras. Correct answer is B. Surat. Which animal's heart beats 1000 times? A. Rat, B. Lizard, C. Squirrel. Correct answer is B. Lizard.